Grade raking the lawn is the first thing that we're doing on this particular backyard project. It was a fresh landscape, working in conjunction with Fisk Lawnscapes on this particular one. Pouring and edging on the right-hand side there, finishing, coloring, texturing. Then you can see that it blends with a wall on the left side. The grading was such that they needed to bring from the house the grade back down to the yard, and they needed a much taller border on that left side. So the guys are discussing here how to blend those together and where we should stop with the pour. My suggestion was that they continue pouring through the existing borders there that we had just finished, because it's still pliable, and I find easier to make the transition when the pieces overlap rather than trying to fill in the pieces by hand. You have a better compaction, you have a better view of exactly what's going on. So we draw a line where that transition needs to be, and then we'll simply remove the concrete that is excess, and we'll throw that in a wheelbarrow and possibly use it again if it's still fresh enough, or we may just get rid of it. So remove the excess concrete there, and then we'll finish that off to make that transition. A lot of the work is done by hand on edging jobs. The machines help us to avoid having to form the entire project. There's quite a bit of handwork. So the guys really are artists when it comes to making everything look the way that it should look. You could just have a machine and pour it, and it's going to come out one way, but when you have an artist, it looks really special. This one is a taller border to help hold things in. Looks amazing.